Servicing your brakes is critical for keeping you safe while on the road. Having your brakes maintained allows you to confidently stop earlier in a shorter distance, making sure you and your passengers stay safe from any potential obstacles. When scheduling maintenance for your Mazda, the brake discs and pads, front and rear, are thoroughly checked over for any damage or excessive wear. The recommended brake inspection schedule is every 24,000 kilometers or 12 months. In addition to inspecting your pads and discs, the brake lines, hoses, calipers, and connections are also checked. Over time, your brake pads will require replacement as they wear. Your Mazda technician will measure the amount of pad material remaining and indicate when it's recommended they be changed. It's important to change your brake pads before the linings are less than 20%. Replacing your brake pads when recommended will prevent any excessive wear to your brake discs and provide you with optimal stopping force. To book your next service appointment with ease, use the online appointment scheduler at Westowne.com and let our award-winning service professionals take care of you and your Mazda.